Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make cotton candy with a machine. First, understand that these machines work by heating sugar until it melts, then spinning it at high speed. This forces the molten sugar through tiny holes, creating fine threads that cool instantly into delicious floss. You'll need to know your machine's parts, like the spinning head and collection bowl, to operate it safely and effectively. Getting familiar with these basics ensures a smooth and sweet experience every time you want to make this classic treat. Before you begin, always give your cotton candy machine a good clean, especially if it's new or hasn't been used in a while. Next, choose your sugar wisely. Specialized floss sugar works best, but finely granulated sugar can also be used. Now, plug in your machine and let it preheat for about 5 to 10 minutes. This crucial step ensures the heating element is hot enough to properly melt the sugar, leading to perfect, fluffy cotton candy. A little patience here makes a big difference. Hey everyone, if you're finding these tips helpful for making your own cotton candy, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more fun guides. On another note, imagine spinning cotton candy while your favorite tunes play in the background. You can bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker. It's perfect for setting the mood. Check the description for a link to the Echo Dot and other fantastic deals. Now let's get back to the video. Once your machine is preheated, carefully add 1 scoop of your chosen sugar directly into the center spinning head. Avoid overfilling, as this can clog the machine. Within 30 to 60 seconds, you'll see delicate sugar floss beginning to emerge. Gently collect this floss by circling a paper cone or stick around the inside of the bowl, winding the sugar onto it. Keep your movements smooth and steady to build a beautiful, fluffy cloud of cotton candy. Practice makes perfect for the best results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.